Hi guys, Derek here, and I'm back for another... Ay, zpolt pala ako. Teka. Hi guys, zpolt here. Welcome to my lab. And today we're gonna do another blind test for today. And it's a different kind of blind test. I'm with my friend RJ.
Hello.
And I'm with my friend Amsel. And again, in typical zpolt Labs fashion, they are not audiophiles. What's your experience with audio?
Nothing. Nope. Just a consumer.
So yeah, they don't have experience with audiophile grade, whatever. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting, and we're gonna compare DAPs for today. I'm gonna reveal them the price of each of these later, but for now, we have in our list the Fiio Q1 iPhone XS, and we have the Zishan Z1, and we have the Shanling M0, and the WM1a Sony. They're gonna listen to all of these with the same music, except for the Zishan Z1 with the same earphone, and we're gonna choose a winner. One winner for each of these, and I'm gonna reveal to them the price of this.
Yeah, can we change the color though?
What color do you want?
That's
Let's
fine.
stick with this. And this is a TFZ S2. So we're gonna start first with the Fiio Q1, and we're gonna start first with RJ.
It feels a little flat.
Flat.
Not enough treble, but it's clear. The audio is clear.
Okay.
The instruments are clear. the vocals are clear, but there's something missing, I think.
Okay, let's move on to the next. So that is the Fiio Q1. The next one would be the Zishan Z1. And by the way, the Zishan Z1 is a modded version with a Dibble op amp.
Immediately, there's a distinct increase in the music quality.
Okay. What increase?
It feels more rounded.
Rounded.
Like here, it's a little bit flat, but you can clearly hear the individual individual instruments.
Okay. Okay.
But here it's more rounded. It's more like it feels more like a band. You're listening to the band instead of the individual music. So I like this one better.
So it feels more live?
Yes.
Something like that. Okay. Interesting so far. Next is the Shanling M0.
Mm-hmm. There's noise,
There's noise.
like white noise. If you don't count the noise, it's a little bit better compared to the Fiio,
This one? Okay.
but still not as good as the zpolt Labs. So
This
whatever
one?
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
So first, second, third
Yes.
for now?
Yes, for
okay.
now.
And then this one? Last one? Listening intently?
I like this one.
Okay. Why do you like it?
It's like a combination of this one and this one.
Okay.
It's still rounded, but you can still hear the individual instruments and the vocals. So I like this one the best.
Really? Number one?
Yeah.
So first is the
Second.
WM1a, second is the Zishan Z1, third is the Fiio Q1, and the last
I
is the
didn't like
Shanling
this one.
M0. Can you see me now, guys? Later, I'm gonna reveal why. Next will be Amsel. So Amsel, background. Amsel is both of them are photographers, by the way.
Hello.
Photographer. So they're creatives, ish, but not in the audio world.
Totally not.
But I'm now influencing them. Okay,
Stop making us buy stuff then.
that's influence, sir. Right. So Amsel doesn't appear in any videos. So this is
Sure.
his first time to show his face.
Right. Not much different from what I use. Just a little flatter, I guess.
Flatter? Okay. Yeah. It's good because you're gonna have references with this
Yeah.
one. So this is the first one. Okay. So he says it's good still. Next is this one. Zishan Z1.
Has more pop, but
Pop.
has like less treble or bass. Like, I don't know. It's just more pops more, I guess.
Okay. So like more lively sounding also.
Yeah.
What's better? This one, this one.
I honestly prefer this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So first difference between you guys.
Yeah.
Next will be this one. Shanling M0. So by the way, we're listening to I Shot the Sheriff by Eric Clapton. That's our usual listening track here in zpolt Labs.
Okay.
You like it?
I like it. I like this better than this though.
Okay.
So like 1, 2, 3 for now.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the last one? Let's see if it likes it.
Yeah, I like this best compared
Okay.
to this one.
Why?
I don't know. It sounds more full.
Okay.
compared to this.
Okay.
And then since this is my like first choice, this would be better now. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Ah, okay. So not a big difference between.
We have the
you
same
guys.
first and last place.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that's good. So first, so what music do you prefer usually?
Oh well.
K-pop.
K-pop.
I don't know. I'm not really into specific genre.
Okay.
I just go with what I feel like whatever my mood is.
I don't have a
Like-
favorite song or musician or band, but more heavy rock, hard rock,
Hard
heavy
rock.
metal.
Okay, okay. So usually hard rock is more of like mids to bass kind of music, not really about highs.
Let's go with soft rock.
Soft rock. So maybe more of like V-shaped kind of sound. So yeah, that's what they kind of prefer. I'm now gonna reveal what's what's the deal with this DAPs. So Fiio Q1, of course Zishan Z1, and then Shanling M0, and then again Sony WM1a. Firstly, how much do you think this is? The Fiio Q1 is how much?
Can I touch it? Wait. DK man, like 10k or something, lower than 10k.
10K? How about you?
I have no idea.
Ballpark?
Guess between 10 to 15.
10 to 15. 6,000 pesos for the Fiio Q1. Okay. Not too far. How about the Zishan Z1? How much is this one?
I'm giving the same price.
How much?
Same range. To 10 to 15.
10 to 15?
5k.
5K? 2K.
Really?
Okay.
That's
Plus
why
the
you
skin,
see
it's now
my
5K.
face. My reaction, guys. Yeah. So actually 1.6 for the base price, and then you need to do some upgrades around
Okay.
2.5K. Next, Shanling M0. How much?
Basing from the price of these two, I'm going lower now. 1.5.
1.5.
Well, if I disregard what you said about these two, I'm still gonna go with like 2k.
Okay.
Pero since this is like more expensive, I'm hoping it's more expensive than that. Yeah, 1.5 or something.
6,000 pesos.
Weird.
Not worth.
I'm really sorry, Shanling M0 owners. How about this one? How much is this one?
It's chunky, so around 10k.
Can I assume somewhere around 7k?
50K.
Ooh.
It's the best sounding for them, so yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome to the world
Please
of audio.
sponsor us, Sony.
Okay, so I was assuming it wasn't that expensive.
However, it's
Welcome to the world of audio. You know what? The 1% difference in sound is worth 20,000 to 30,000 pesos.
no, but for me, the sound quality here is not that
Not that
noticeable.
far.
Not that noticeable.
Ah.
Yeah, I'd rather buy this, I guess.
So yeah, if you're gonna buy one, what? This
Definitely
one?
this
How
one.
about you?
I'll go for this one.
This
Because
one?
this is more portable compared to that one.
Okay.
And then the quality's not that far
I
off.
really like the sound quality of this one.
Yeah.
Even though I like this one better,
Okay.
given the price difference, definitely I'll get this one.
The Zishan Z1 is one of the most popular DAPs in the community, actually. So yeah, that's why a lot of people are modifying it, making it sound better. The Fiio Q1 is one of the most popular amplifiers in the $100 range. Shanling M0 is one of the most popular small DAPs. So yeah, maybe not for everybody.
Does this have a
So-
band or something? It looks like an Apple Watch.
Maybe you can put it. WM1a is expensive, but also one of the more popular ones in the $1,000 range. Also, but yeah, that's really expensive. So that is the blind test. Are you surprised, guys?
A little bit.
With that, yes.
Yeah, with this one.
In this one, are you gonna buy?
A little bit because I gave like 10 to 15k for this, then it's like 2.5.
You know, my
it's-
my initial impression of this is it looks like a vape.
Yeah. Okay. Final words from our guest right here, Amso. What do you think about what we did?
What did we do? Just get this, I guess. I don't have anything to say except just get this because it's sleeker and more affordable compared to that.
I think this is the most cost-effective one here, for the price, for the quality. So, and why are we doing music reviews? Stop making us buy stuff.
That's my role. So that is the blind test of DAPs. Really surprising. It was actually Also surprised that the WM1a still was on top, but well, it's the most expensive one. But I'm really surprised about the Zishan Z1. Well, I really like the Zishan Z1 as well. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys there in the community also like, especially when modded. So that is the blind test for today. If you learned something, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. And we are gonna see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.